Collagen is the building block of youthful, radiant skin. It's a protein that forms a structural framework for your skin, keeping it firm, plump, and elastic. Imagine it as the scaffolding that holds everything together. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen. This decline leads to visible signs of aging, like wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. Think of it like a spring losing its bounce over time. But don't despair. You can support your body's natural collagen production through your diet. By eating the right foods, you can give your skin the building blocks it needs to stay healthy and vibrant. It's like providing your body with the best materials to maintain that youthful structure. Aging is a natural process, and with it comes a decrease in collagen production. However, other factors can accelerate this decline, sabotaging your skin's youthful appearance. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can damage collagen fibers, leading to premature aging. Imagine these harmful substances attacking the scaffolding of your skin. Environmental factors like sun exposure and pollution also play a significant role. The sun's UV rays break down collagen, while pollution creates free radicals that damage skin cells. It's like exposing your skin to constant wear and tear. By understanding these collagen thieves, you can make informed choices to protect and nourish your skin from within. It's about making lifestyle choices that support your skin's health. Just like a car needs fuel to run, your body needs specific nutrients to produce collagen effectively. These nutrients act as the building blocks and catalysts for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is crucial as it plays a vital role in collagen formation. Think of it as the glue that holds the collagen fibers together. Amino acids found in protein-rich foods are the building blocks of collagen. Imagine them as the bricks that form the foundation of your skin's structure. Zinc and copper are essential minerals that act as cofactors in collagen production. They are like the tools that help assemble the collagen fibers correctly. A deficiency in any of these nutrients can compromise collagen production, leading to weaker skin and accelerated aging. It's like trying to build a house without all the necessary materials. Section 4. Collagen superstars, vitamin C, omega-3, and antioxidant powerhouses. These nutrients are essential for maintaining the health and vitality of your skin, ensuring it remains firm, elastic, and youthful. Incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your diet to boost collagen production and keep your skin looking its best. By making small changes to your daily meals, you can significantly impact your skin's health and overall appearance. Vitamin C-rich foods are like collagen factories, boosting your body's natural production. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in the synthesis of collagen, which is the main structural protein in your skin. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and limes, are packed with vitamin C. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are also excellent sources of this vital nutrient. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and other varieties are not only rich in vitamin C, but also contain other essential nutrients that support skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, help protect collagen from damage. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your skin's cell membranes. Think of them as shields that protect your skin's structure. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and keep your skin hydrated, which is essential for maintaining a youthful appearance. Antioxidants, found in colorful fruits and vegetables like pomegranates, berries, and green tea, fight free radical damage that can break down collagen. These powerful compounds neutralize harmful molecules that can accelerate the aging process. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods, you can help protect your skin from the inside out. Green tea in particular is known for its high levels of catechins, which are potent antioxidants. Imagine them as little warriors defending your skin from environmental aggressors. These antioxidants work tirelessly to keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant. By including these foods in your diet, you provide your body with the tools it needs to maintain healthy collagen levels and youthful-looking skin. A balanced diet rich in these nutrients can make a noticeable difference in your skin's texture and appearance. It's like giving your skin a fighting chance against premature aging. With consistent effort and mindful eating, you can enjoy the benefits of radiant, healthy skin for years to come. Section 5. Unveiling the unsung heroes, lesser-known collagen boosters. In this segment, we will explore some of the most underrated yet highly effective foods and ingredients that can significantly enhance your body's collagen production. These hidden gems are often overlooked but can make a substantial difference in your skin's health and overall well-being. Beyond the usual suspects like fish, chicken, and eggs, some lesser-known foods pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting collagen. These foods are not only nutritious, but also offer unique benefits that can help you achieve glowing, youthful skin. Bone broth, rich in collagen and amino acids, is like a superfood for your skin. This nutrient-dense liquid is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues, which releases collagen, gelatin, and other beneficial compounds into the broth. Simmer animal bones for hours to extract these beneficial nutrients. The longer you simmer, the more nutrients you can extract. This process not only enhances the flavor, but also maximizes the health benefits, making bone broth a powerful addition to your diet. Citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, are not only rich in vitamin C, but also contain hyaluronic acid, which helps keep skin hydrated and plump. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, while hyaluronic acid retains moisture, making your skin look more youthful and vibrant. Think of them as a double whammy for skin health. Incorporating a variety of citrus fruits into your diet can provide a refreshing and delicious way to support your skin's natural collagen production. Sweet potatoes are a surprising source of vitamin A, which helps protect and repair skin cells. This root vegetable is also rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body, further enhancing its skin protective properties. They are like little packets of skin-loving nutrients. Whether you bake, roast, or mash them, sweet potatoes can be a versatile and delicious addition to your meals, providing essential nutrients that support skin health. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant that protects collagen from damage. Curcumin has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce skin inflammation and promote healing, making it a valuable ingredient for maintaining healthy skin. It's like a shield against environmental aggressors. Adding turmeric to your diet, whether in curries, smoothies, or golden milk, can provide a flavorful and health-boosting way to protect your skin from the inside out. Don't underestimate the power of these hidden gems in your quest for youthful skin. Each of these foods offers unique benefits that can enhance your body's natural collagen production and support overall skin health. They are valuable additions to your diet for a holistic approach to collagen support. By incorporating these lesser-known collagen boosters into your daily meals, you can take a proactive step towards achieving radiant, youthful skin and overall wellness. Remember, a balanced diet rich in diverse nutrients is key to maintaining healthy skin and a vibrant appearance. Section 6. Eating your way to youthful skin. Practical tips and tricks. Now that you know the importance of collagen-boosting foods, let's explore how to incorporate them into your daily routine. It's not just about knowing what to eat, but also about making these foods a regular part of your diet. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Start your day with a collagen-rich breakfast. This could be as simple as a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits like berries, which are high in antioxidants. Add a scoop of collagen peptides to your smoothie. This is an easy way to boost your collagen intake without changing your routine too much. You can also add other nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, chia seeds, and a variety of fruits to make it even more beneficial. Or enjoy a bowl of bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen and can be a comforting, warm addition to your diet, especially during colder months. It's like giving your skin a head start on collagen production. Snack smart. When you feel the need for a snack, make sure it's something that will benefit your skin. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for a handful of berries. Berries are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants that support skin health. A piece of citrus fruit. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. Or a few slices of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, another important nutrient for skin health. Your skin will thank you. By choosing these nutrient-rich snacks, you're not only satisfying your hunger, but also giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and youthful. Make it a rainbow on your plate. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures that you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables at every meal. Each color represents different antioxidants and vitamins that can help protect your skin and boost collagen production. The more color, the more antioxidants you consume to protect your collagen. Antioxidants help fight off free radicals that can damage your skin and reduce collagen levels. Don't forget the healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for maintaining the skin's lipid barrier, which keeps it hydrated and plump. Include fatty fish, avocados, and nuts in your diet to provide omega-3 fatty acids for collagen protection. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce skin inflammation and promote a healthy complexion. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your skin hydrated and supports overall collagen health. Hydration is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing dryness. It's like giving your skin a refreshing drink. Water helps flush out toxins from your body, which can improve your skin's appearance and health. By making these simple changes, you can nourish your skin from within and support its natural collagen production for a more youthful, radiant you. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about maintaining a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Remember, healthy, glowing skin starts with what you eat. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can achieve and maintain beautiful, youthful skin.